Rise and shine, rise and shine, clear your mind. Rise and shine, rise and shine, rise and shine. I don't want to know. It's another morning. All the trees are dancing up there. Time to get rolling. Fill yourself with all that fresh air. Nature is calling, telling you to get your share. Have you seen the news? What you do? Do you still see the sun? Rise and shine, rise and shine. Be your mind. Rise and shine, rise and shine, rise and shine. Oh, now, now, now. Family! One. Everything is beautiful in its own way. Now I'm going to take you back to memory. Remember this? Right. Boy, gosh, now, oh, no, hush. Made it try, but couldn't stay my hand. Made it try, but couldn't get her up now. Some fool that tried to trick her with his smartness, yeah. Turn around and wonder what she's made of. So, she just loved this little thing we got going. But that even let down as long as the heart's not beating. You know the woman just loves this little thing we got going. Boy, gosh, now even let as long as the heart's not beating. Little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch, baby girl. Not just you, your perfume keeps me wanting you so much. Sing with me. Can't help it for the lonely night that you put me through, boy, nah. Come on, baby, let's sit down, talk about it, those the deal. Good affinity, you want cheap conversation. You and I, that's ideal, yeah. Woman, gonna make sure this time sweet love like yours will never leave me behind. Hey, little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch. That's just you and
perfume
Your perfume
keeps me wanting you so much.
Lady, you're my golden touch. Happens every time your lips touch mine. There's a feeling so divine. I get butterflies every time your eyes meet mine. God, wasn't very long till you came along, and you made me realize that by your side forever is where I belong. But listen some more. It's all because of you. I'm feeling sad and blue. You went away. Now my life is just a rainy day.
I love you so.
Love you so.
You
much
never know. You took your love away from me.
All sing together.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
I love you so. How much you never know.
You took your love away from me.
Sing.
Hey, little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch.
Really, really want to touch you. Just as you wear your perfume keeps me wanting you so much. Oh, things I love to do, yeah. All the things I love to say. Listen, I cherish every moment that you're around. I might not show it because I can't find words to say. I try to say I love you, but I get tongue-tied. I stop to reason words, failing every way. I wish you would stay longer. Yeah, right up my life like. I wish you would stay longer. Must find a way to keep you, yes, keep you all to myself. Then I'll retire from staying out so late at night. When we were alone together, we can play doctor and nurse. If it should be forever, baby, we should get it right.
I wish you would stay longer.
Bright up my life, like in the world. I wish
You would
you
stay
would stay
longer.
longer. Just like magic, you just disappear, yeah. Ay, 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 ay,
If
ay,
you
ay,
go,
ay. Oh, na, na, oh, na, oh, na.
all of my program.
Na, na,
If
na,
you
na, na,
say
oh, na, na, na.
that I am,
I wish you would stay longer. Bright up my life like Disney World. I wish you would stay longer. But just like magic, I'll tell you now. Jamaica! Brand! We are El Brand! Jamaica, Brand. Love you too, you know, bud. I see you going out of while, man. These are some rare occasions for me. Because as a grown man, I never thought I would have reached this point. But because, yeah, it's true. But because of your love and the energy that you give, thank you. Brand. Can you remember? Well, I know, man. When you got a good woman, when you got a good man, lady, cherish, love it. Yeah. Because I know sometimes we go on like we too bad. Yeah. And then we lose it. Every time I think of every. So you know I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. No. Say that you've been with me right through the rough, and you never said. There you go. So you know I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. I'd like to repay you, damaged love. I know I won't be able to repair it all. I lost out, and with all the time I see you hurting. Whoa, this is so fine, and it's blowing my mind. As a man, I know I should walk away and leave nothing to remind, but I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Every time I think of saying goodbye, so you know I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Woman, should have you been with me right through the rough, and you never said I didn't know, so I can't. No, I can't. Try, but I can't. No matter what I do, you know, can't. Like to repair you, yeah, but just hush. Boy, now, wait a minute. Before you say to the world now, what can you do to supplement from trying? I wanna know, yes, I wanna know now. Nothing you can do to supplement from trying. Beres wanna know, yes, wanna know now. Said I wanna know, nothing you can do to supplement from trying. Not with that big broad smile and that sexy dress you wear. Totally impossible for a man. There is a reason to be so uptight. Now you got everything alright. And now you should know you're every man's space. Tell me, what can you do to supplement from trying? I wanna know now. Nothing you can do to supplement from trying. Absolutely nothing. What can you do to supplement from trying? See, I wanna know. Nothing you can do to supplement from trying. Mama. night, come over mine and laughter. Certainly take a bite. My poor body's calling. Needs. Can you get beside me, baby? That's so long. You gotta
come back home.
You better,
pretty baby, you better come back home.
hey, can't remember how long it's been. Sure lost track of time. Don't ask me how I'm doing. I can't say I'm doing fine. My world is starting to heavy. Everything's upside down. It's no use explaining. Come see what's going on. Come back home.
Come back home.
Come, pretty baby.
You better come back home.
Oh, I see memories lie the corners of my mind. Misty water, color memories for the way we were. Scattered pictures, yeah, of the smiles we left behind.
Pretty woman,
Smiles we gave to one another for the way we were. Said
you give to me,
I'll give to you.
do it to me, I'll do it to you. Baby, give to me, I'll give to you.
Family! Yeah. Wagwan. We there, again. Hey, yes, we there. Don't watch the face, we there again. See where it come on. Thank you. You know something? I am not sure how much more of these conferences, I call it conference because we come together, you know, I'm going to have with you. Yeah, I wish it would have been many more. Just say it, God, you know. But every time I come up here on the stage, I've always tried to give you the best of me. Every single time. Barring none. Play softly. Play them on. Just no disrespect. No disrespect. No disrespect to the man. But could you step aside?
No.
Another man else
to take over.
Cause you don't know what you got. Now it's time to lose it. Won't you step aside now? Let me show you how to treat a woman. Yeah. She needs tender touch and loving oh so much. Yeah. Tell me how you crazy. Leave her so lovely, so lovely. She's a winner, so you better protect her. Boy, when you're feeling blue, don't know what to do, she will comfort you. She's a drink or two, she will be your friend, and you think that is the end. Hush, my little brother. Well, good. With the yagi. Yeah, well, sure. Hey, you're just good now. Una no man love for you know. Cheers! Cheers! Have a drink on me. I'll pay for it. Cheers! I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. Now I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. And I feel a ton of joy. And my heart feels warm. Just thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. As the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Guess it's another
sleepless night.
Do you remember? Yeah. Boy, boy, boy. You listen to me, give me sunshine. Like to tell you story about one dance, one dance. You listen to me, give me sunshine. After one dance on the floor, she came back
Wanting more.
for more now. I don't know what it is that I got now. She whispered it was so nice, yeah. But her man, since she goes away, hey, he could hear the things I say now. Now he watched us from the corner of his eyes. So a move like this would be so unwise. Oh, he's standing
my way.
oh, no, no. Standing
in my way.
yeah, story goes on, yeah. She loves me now, not just me, can't complain, oh, nah. She loves me now, I must admit, feel the same. Boy, God, I want to listen to me good as I sing. Early one Sunday morning, I took up my paper, decided to read. Phone rang, little voice saying, he said, you might not
Remember me, but I wanna dance with you. And
ever since
the night we met, girl, I must tell you true.
yeah. You danced into my life, never out of my mind. Now it's clear that I'm ready so long. I just wanna stop
To get
to
close.
get closer now. She loves me now, not just me. Take up baby, take up there. She loves me now. Yeah.
Ooh, na 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 na. Ooh, na 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 na. Ooh, na 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 na.
Yeah. Family. Brand. Jamaica. Brand. Boy, na. Say. Boy, na. Yeah. Say, oh, na 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 na. Skip up, skip up, skip up. Again. Skip up, skip up, skip up. I can't sing too much, man. I have to do a lot of that. You and I thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine, yes. So nothing special about you. Hey, plaguing my mind. I used to think you were the last. Presently, you're the most wanted at the top of my line. It was yesterday that I saw you down the lane. My heart felt the bang. So I'm falling in love all over again. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Said I'm falling in love all over again. Oh gosh, how could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Boo boo. Said I big man don't cry. Never miss the water till the well run dry. Would you find that you want to give me one word? How the business to do it with the dime? Why would I be going to do the see the rescue to be a good. Promise to free from his up to me. I'm falling in love all over again. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Right now, I'm falling in love all over again. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Na 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 na. Yeah. Oh na 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 na. Oola oola oola. Again. Oola oola oola. Ula, Ayla, Mayla, Brian. I'm falling in love again. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? I'm falling in love all over again. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Brian, Jamaica. Brian, Jamaica. We are taking from here, sir. Further. Brian. Yes, over there. Yeah? Jamaica. Yeah. And you know something? Yeah. One step ahead and you're right. One step behind and you're down. You're down. You've got to be where the spotlight is shining. Yeah. One step ahead and you're out. Oh, one step behind and you're down. Down. You've got to be where that spotlight shining. Out. But you know something? That was my first number one. Yeah, follow my journey. And back then, they thought I was an American guy. And so, I couldn't even walk the streets because I had no money to take buses or taxis or nothing like that. I was broke. So, even though it was my first taste of success, I had none. Come here for work, come here. If was true. And then here comes another one. Could you give me a bit of your time? Wanna show you what's here on my mind. That I'm in love with you, yeah. Without control. Yes, I'm in love with you, yeah. You're on my mind, oh gosh, now. So on my mind. Hey, hey, hey. It's a journey. Got to get away from the sound. Keeps calling my name. Gotta get away from this room. Can't stand the pain. Gotta get away from the memories that haunts my mind. Gotta get myself in another time. Must get away from this part. I love you too. And snow cold man. Boy, I've got to burn the suit and forget future plans. Gotta tell myself, boy gosh, it's over. Whoa, whoa. So many tears, years gone in the wink of an eye. I can't help but cry. Can't help but cry. Whoa. Yeah. Can I sit for a moment? Let me sit for a moment. Take your time. Let me sit my ass down. Hey. Hey, Mr. Supervisor, think I'm gonna have to call in sick. Boy, nah, can't leave my woman like this. No. Ladies, listen good. There's one thing I can't stand. Leaving you so early in the morning. It's 9 to 5 I hear. Surely getting to me. For the third time this week, think I'm gonna have to call in sick. If I leave you now, I'll be losing my mind. My say.
Hope we never get tired, and I never have to go to work. No one's knocking on the door, disrespecting the no disturb sign. No baby's crying, and no horns blowing. Just the whisper of our voices all day long.
Man who don't sweet treat his woman, surely wasting her lifetime. She might not say it, she needs tenderness to life. When I look in her eyes, baby, is it clear as a morning shower? Better take time off, give you extra fun. I hope you like it.
Hope we never get tired.
And I
never have to go to work.
no
No one's knocking on the door,
disrespecting
the
no disturb
sign.
no
babies crying.
no horns blowing,
Just
no
the
whisper
whisper of our voices.
just a whisper of our voices, just a whisper of our voices. Oh, all day long.
All day long now.
Yeah. Yeah. I just love doing what I do. Yeah. Did you know? Did you know? Yeah. Did you know that love
Means never to say that you're sorry.
how could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? Woman, it was
Just the other day,
told me you were sorry. It was
not so long ago.
we talked about the same thing. Darling, why? Please tell me why. The lovers had such way. Now did you know that
Love means never to say that you're sorry.
how could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? Oh, not in such a way. Hey, woman, it was
Just the other night,
told me that you loved me.
whispered
Whispered in my ear sweet words I love to hear. Touch me again, little one. This is heaven divine. Hard to tell myself. Did you know love
means
never
to say that you're sorry.
how could you hurt the one you love just like you don't care? No, 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 no. it up, put it up, come on.
Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
Say you got a me rocking in the corner. All the lights and pan down low. Can't express how me glad you come on ya. Never seen so much good vibe flow. Everyone inside is like family, yes. I see no stranger around. Every miles of his year. Night, no kid. Kill a man, jump back up. Let the vibe just play. Can you play? Lift it up. Can you play some more? Pull up the vibe that you play. Can you play? Can you play? Lift it up. Check it up. Come again. Jamaica. Brand. Jamaica. Jamaica. This is Angus, the fanciest musician that I have in the band. Look at him. But you know, he reminds me with his playing of the days when Jamaica had a good time in the dances, the clubs, and the music promised us love. So I can remember people like there were Wilson and Alton Ellis and Ken Booth and yeah, it was beautiful. And I stood on those folks' shoulders. I thank them so much. Now, whoa, whoa, oh, I miss those days, yes. Oh, I miss those days. Say, remember the song used to make you those were the days when love used to rain. Yeah, we dance all night to the songs they play. We can come again, do it just the same. Yeah, now I feel it to my heart. We in such a golden time at the parties, 'cause there's hardly any safe place left to go. Someone's bound to come and try to spot the show. Well, yeah. Remember the song, just take the right way. Don't for the days when love used to rain. Yeah. Dance all night, the songs they play. We can come again.
Do it just the same, yeah.
Right now I think we have lots of other folks that should come on stage, and I won't by any means deny folks of their time. I'll see you again sometime. Brad, Jamaica!